Mule Runtime, a reliability pattern couples a reliable acquisition flow with an application logic flow. Here you can see a reliability pattern couples a reliable acquisition flow with an application logic flow as shown in this diagram in Mule Runtime. A reliability pattern is a design that results in a reliable messaging for an application, even if the application receives messages from a non-transactional connector. A reliability pattern couples a reliable acquisition flow with an application logic flow as shown in this diagram. Reliable acquisition flow, the left side of the diagram here, delivers a message reliably to the Mule event source that does not implement the transaction to an outbound operation of a connector that implements the transaction. The operation can be of any type of transactional endpoint such as VM or JMS. Such as if the reliable acquisition flow cannot deliver the message, it ensures that the message isn't lost. The socket-based connections like HTTP, this means returning the unsuccessful response to the client so that the client can retry the request. For resource-based connections like file or FTP, it means not deleting the file so it can be reprocessed. The application logic flow, the right side of the diagram delivers the message from the event source that uses transactional connector to the business logic for the application. Here you can see the request is client is connected to the HTTP via request, and here the HTTP is connected to the client is connected to the receive message via request, and it's HTTP, and receive message is connected to the client via state response, and here the receive message is connected to the add message queue, so the VM, and add message queue is connected to the VM. Receive message and add message queue and are in reliable acquisition flow, and VM is connected to the application, connected to the consume message from queue VM here, and the consume message from queue flow of ref to business logic subflow, and add message queue are in application logic. Here the consume message from queue is connected to the flow ref to the business logic subflow, and it's connected to the add message to queue, and it's connected to the VM. Here the transaction one here. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.